Before starting Math 370, I wondered how I could possibly teach other students if I was not confident in my own mathematical abilities. As a younger student, I had given up on understanding math and resigned myself to the fact that some people were just not good at math, and that I was one of those people. The prospect of teaching math seemed overwhelming. Where do I start? How do I try to make it relevant and purposeful? What if I confuse my students and myself by trying to explain concepts that I don't fully understand myself? I started by using pre-assessments to find out what background my students were bringing to camp. I realized that they had some of the same issues that I faced in elementary school. They knew a lot of their math facts by rote, but struggled to make sense of what multiplication actually meant. I wanted to help strengthen their understanding by helping them visualize this concept. Before each lesson, we reviewed our class rules, and I let them know what we would be working on that day. This helped let them know what I expected of them and what they could expect from me each day. After each class, I was able to assess whether my objectives were met with the use of math journals, rubrics, and checklists. This gave us both focus and purpose. I connected to their background knowledge by exploring ways that they see and use multiplication in everyday life. Vocabulary was used continuously through conversations, drawing, and writing. I thought it would be a smart idea to plan my lessons ahead. It was during my first lesson when I realized that this would not work. What I thought would be automatic for them needed more instruction and thought. I was not prepared to do this. After assessing their journals and using a rubric, I was able to reflect that we needed to slow down and go more in depth. In the future, I do not plan on doing my lesson plans in advance. I will use personal reflection to gauge whether the needs of my students have been met that day and where I need to take them the next.